Ever feel like your bank account is doing a disappearing act? Like it shrinks faster than a wool sweater in the dryer? Well, friends, today we're pulling the emergency brake on financial chaos and introducing you to a life-changing tool, your personal budget. Forget those ramen noodles and Netflix marathons. Budgeting is about making every dollar count, and it can help you navigate towards a future of financial stability and security with a clear and practical plan. In this video, I'll be going over 6 reasons I think make a strong case why everyone should have a personal budget. Okay, without any delay, let's kick things off with reason number 1 on why you should have a budget. Budgets help you take control of your finances. Budgeting is a tool that empowers you to take control of your finances with a purpose and direction. By tracking your income and expenses, a budget provides you a comprehensive overview of your financial situation and offers clarity and insight into spending patterns. This knowledge enables you to make informed decisions about your money, set realistic financial goals, and align your spending with your priorities. A well-structured budget acts as a guide, helping you allocate your money wisely, avoiding additional unnecessary debt, and saving for future endeavors. As you're active in your budget, you will gain a sense of financial discipline and responsibility, encouraging an active approach to managing your money. Ultimately, budgeting serves as a roadmap towards your financial stability and success, allowing you to navigate your financial journey with confidence. When I made the decision many years ago to start budgeting, it produced a significant difference in how I looked at my income and where and how I spent each dollar. And I'm hoping if you aren't budgeting today, that you'll start soon so you can experience this as well. Reason number 2, budgets help you to know where your money's going. I can't express enough how important it is to truly understand and know where your money is being spent. By tracking your expenses, you will gain valuable insight into your spending patterns, enabling you to make smart decisions about your budget. It allows you to identify areas where you might be overspending or areas that could be optimized. Whether it's on essential living expenses, leisure activities, or other purchases, being aware of where your money goes empowers you to set realistic financial goals, prioritize your spending, and work towards achieving financial stability. Regularly assessing and analyzing your expenses creates a foundation that will help you make intentional choices that align with your priorities and long-term objectives. I know when I first started budgeting, I was absolutely shocked at how much I was spending in several areas, including eating out and auto expenses. Without having this sort of insight in your finances, it makes it very hard to know when to make adjustments, if at all. Reason number 3, budgets reduce financial stress. Budgeting serves as a powerful tool in reducing your financial stress by providing a clear roadmap for managing and controlling your finances. When you establish a budget, you gain a comprehensive understanding of your income, expenses, and savings goals. This awareness nurtures a sense of financial control and security. A solid budget allows for the allocation of your money towards essential needs, savings, and other spending, ensuring that your income is utilized wisely. By having a budget and plan in place, you can avoid the anxiety that often accompanies uncertainty about money matters. The process of budgeting encourages proactive financial decision-making, ultimately leading to increased confidence and reduced stress related to your money management. As you adhere to your budget and witness the positive impact on your financial well-being, you often experience a tangible and real reduction in stress. One area that can really add to your financial stress is when you're having to live paycheck to paycheck. At the end of 2023, 62% of Americans were in that situation. I'm hoping that this video and future content on budgeting will help to convince you the importance of having your own budget and how big of an impact it can have on your life. And it's okay if you're currently in that group that lives paycheck to paycheck. But by creating and sticking to a solid budget plan, you can move yourself out of that group, and with it will come a lot less stress when it relates to your finances. I'd also add that it could very likely reduce the stress you have with your spouse or significant other if you're budgeting together. Having and maintaining a budget with my spouse has led to a significant reduction in our stress over money. Reason number 4, budgets allow you to create an emergency fund for those unexpected expenses. One of the significant advantages of budgeting is it allows you to establish and maintain an emergency fund. By allocating a portion of your income specifically for unseen expenses, you can systematically set aside money each month to build a financial safety net. This fund acts as a cushion against unexpected events such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss, providing a crucial layer of financial security. Without a budget, it can be challenging to accumulate savings consistently, leaving us vulnerable to financial strain during those unexpected events. With a well-planned budget, the process of creating an emergency fund becomes more manageable, offering peace of mind that you'll have money set aside when something unexpected happens. And guess what? Unexpected events or expenses will happen to all of us, so it definitely makes sense to be prepared for them. Reason number 5, budgets can allow you to reach your financial goals. Budgeting serves as an essential tool for you to methodically work towards and achieve your financial goals. By carefully examining income, expenditures, and savings, a good budget provides a clear roadmap for directing funds towards your specific goals. Whether you're saving for a major purchase, paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement, a solid budget will help you to ensure that your money is allocated in a meaningful way. As you maintain your budget and witness the gradual accumulation of money dedicated to your goals, you will gain a sense of financial control and empowerment. Ultimately, by integrating a budget into your normal routine, you will be able to navigate a path towards achieving your personal financial goals. And finally, reason number 6, one of my favorites. Budgets allow you to help out causes or groups that you have a passion for. Budgeting can extend beyond personal financial goals. It also enables you to contribute to causes or groups that you're passionate about. By creating a charitable area in your budget, you can allocate a portion of your money towards supporting the groups or causes that align with your values. This intentional allocation ensures that money is set aside, allowing you to make a positive impact on your community or even the world. This not only allows you to fulfill your desire to make a difference, but also instills a sense of social responsibility and purpose in your monetary decisions. I mentioned earlier this reason was one of my favorites because for me and my wife, we're able to support many different causes that we care about because of our budgeting. Knowing that our money is being used to help others and have an impact is very empowering. I hope I've made my case for why I think everyone should have a personal budget. I do want to let you know I plan on doing additional videos on budgeting where I'll go over some of the great tools out there to help you with your own budget. Also, to make sure to highlight what I've been using for my budgeting for many years. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to dig in and take that first step towards budgeting. It could change your future. If you have any feedback or questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.